Smart Industry Conference this year has been great. It's really been bringing together people from all parts of the ecosystem, whether it be people from industry consortia, standards bodies, the government organizations, but really bringing together people from IT and operations. What we're trying to do is increase the knowledge across this full ecosystem. We can all learn from hearing from each other. There's really opportunities across a full dimension of capabilities right now. It's about either looking at ways to make money or save money. I would say, although there's people looking at that innovation area of new services, new products, innovation area, a lot of the first moves are really about how do they fix a challenge that they're having in the market, a risk or something that's not working very well. I'd say asset utilization is one of the first moving areas. Things like where they're trying to manage remote operations and they can't get a subject matter expert out to that operation quick enough. That's some of the areas where people are willing to take that first move related to IoT and looking at cloud and mobile computing to really bring the people to where those assets are without actually having to fly them to a really remote space. I think there's companies across the full spectrum in terms of readiness around the industrial Internet of Things. There's companies that already have groups kind of really looking at what some of those use cases are to take advantage of some of the new technology trends out there. They're looking at use cases, they've got people dedicated, they're really creating test beds around these use cases and actually starting to deploy them and getting business value. Well, there's other companies that are really just trying to learn about what they can do to impact their business with the Internet of Things. There's a lot of challenges in terms of basic connectivity. People just trying to look at how do they increase the visibility of their current operations, not only within a facility, but across multiple facilities. You know, we talk about a lot of devices that have the ability to be connected with the Internet of Things. I think there's a stat that says by 2020 there should be over 50 billion devices in the industrial environment, but less than half of those are connected today into true internet. There's a huge opportunity to increase that connectivity, and we really need to get folks really working across operations, IT, and the folks who really understand things like how to look at data in different ways. How do we triangulate the knowledge across all these different groups to really figure out new business value, the different outcomes that company can get that can transform their businesses.